Hey, today a tutorial on how to disable the connect switch seat post from the giant trans. First, unscrew the main ring from the top. Then, unscrew the plastic mechanism at the end with an adjustable wrench. Later, use a flat screwdriver to unscrew the screw from the top of the seat post. After that, you should be able to pull the cartridge out of the case. Then unscrew the mechanism and the nut. And this is how the whole cartridge looks like. After replacing the cartridge with a new one, the seat post should stop correctly at half high, as shown in the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more.